Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we are discussing the Plums series today. Friday we'll do science and tech as always. So please see every episode. And now you know the UPSC 2023 notification has come and people are filling their forms. So whatever doubts you have, everything is detailed way I have explained. Okay, the first one is like what is this new OTR form concept, and then live demo. Okay, including fee payment. I made a dummy account and from start to end selecting OBC, non-creamy, everything. I have shown this complete process till the end, part 1, part 2 registration, including photo upload, signature upload. Everything is there in this video live. You can watch this. Many people have found it useful to fill the form. And then here OBC specialized one video I made, because on the internet I saw many cluttered videos. There is nowhere one video where it explains everything. So I have explained all the things here, even government documents, government websites where you can go and confirm things, UPSC helpline number, especially for OBC reservation, everything I have given here. So watch this video. Okay, in case you have done all this and you are giving 2023 exam, and if you are not sure of your preparation, there is a 111-day timetable in which you can do a self-study by like the PDF which we give you. Okay, the weekly test PDF, 100 questions and explanation, that will cover your entire syllabus of prelims, and in 111 days you can complete the full syllabus. But you need that focused 6-8 hours of study every single day. So if you can do that, you can join this batch. For that you can WhatsApp me. Okay, and if you're 24, 25 student, you can watch the foundation. Okay, either type Vysh IAS foundation like this in YouTube, or come and ask me. That is the better thing, because I'll give you a ordered link. Okay, because in this video there are a lot of videos, but the most important 25 videos in order I'll give you, and that order if you watch, you will be clear of everything. Okay. Now, these are the different teachers who are doing different sessions, and everything is being useful. Like yesterday, there was a economics, and before that, polity. Like that, every day, single thing is there. So this is the WhatsApp number. WhatsApp me, and then we'll see how to take forward the lectures. So all today's science and tech things I have taken from current affairs. That is December current affair, December 2022, very recent one. So prelims 23-24, high chances there. These things can be asked. Okay. So Equilibrium Lunar Earth Point 6U spacecraft. Okay, this EQULS is a spacecraft designed by which space agency? Okay, is it ISRO, NASA, JAXA, that is Japan's, or Roscosmos, which is Russia's? Okay, so like this, at least the names also you should know. Like for Europe, there will be European Space Agency. For Canada, we have CSA. For China, we have another one. So like that, in comment section, try to tell what is China's space agency named. What is that name? Tell me in comment section. So these are things which is there in the news, and here the answer will be EQULS is a spacecraft which is designed by JAXA, that is the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency. Okay, and the University of Tokyo. So this announced that successfully it is used to propel its EQULS spacecraft, which was one of the 10 CubeSats. Okay, like the satellite, when its size and shape and all varies, they have CubeSat, NanoSat, Microsat, like that they'll call different names. Okay, so CubeSat that were launched as part of this Artemis 1 mission on the maiden flight of the space launch system. Okay, so something is not anything related to India. Space mission is there, Artemis 1 project. So inside that, this thing will go. Okay, so this again details is there. It is a nano satellite of the 6U CubeSat format that will measure the distribution of plasma that surrounds the Earth, plasmasphere, to help scientists understand the radiation environment in that region. Okay, so the outside how our Earth's plasma is there, that related some studies and measurements. So plasmasphere, in case UPSC asks, this project is the one which is going on to study the radiation environment near that area. Okay, so it will demonstrate all these things, and this is there. It will go through the Earth Moon region. It carries an instrument called the Delphinus detection camera for lunar impact phenomenon. Okay, so this also, if Delphinus they ask. Okay, so it's like a lunar impact instrument. Okay, so like that you have to know just basics of what are these. Aquarius is there, Aqua Resistojet propulsion system. Okay, so it's like an engine, use of an engine called this one. That is what they are using. And like other than that, detail don't need to do. India Times, it was an article, so I took it. Okay, then what are Lagrangian points? This one is a very important thing in our science and tech video series, free series. The ma'am has explained already. So you can again do little bit research. Okay, there is L1, L2, L3, like the different points are there up to L5. So where is that, what is this, and how it is, everything is explained in the video. Please go and watch that. Okay, second question. Community Innovator Fellowship is an initiative of the Atal Innovation Mission. Okay, so that statement is already told to you. Okay, now it is being implemented in collaboration with which international organization? Okay, so is it the UNESCO, UNDP, UNICEF, UNHRC? So all are United Nations body. So who is collaborating with us to implement this Community Innovator Fellowship, which is under Atal Innovation Mission, which is again under Niti Aayog. Okay, so that is one UPSC question already. Atal Innovation Mission is under Niti Aayog. So now it's the next level. Okay, an initiative by them, which is in collaboration with which international body? So here answer will be UNDP. Okay, so it is being collaborated with UN Development Program. It aims to facilitate knowledge building and provide infrastructure to support to aspiring community innovators and to help them in their entrepreneurial journey. This is a 1-year long fellowship program that will provide assistance for innovators involved in solving challenges faced by communities. Any community innovator between the age of 18 to 35 can apply for this program irrespective of their socio-economic background. So it's not for any particular caste and this thing, because you will see like certain schools are there only for tribal people, there is something for other only maybe minority. It's not like that. Okay, it's just an age is given and it's any socio-economic background. Okay, so they should have a bachelor's degree. Okay, just like you apply for UPSC exam and all, there is some conditions, eligibility criteria. So these people will get support for their entrepreneurial journey, for their innovations, all these things. The Atal Innovation Mission or this Community Innovation Center will support. Okay. And more again, okay, these are all again extra things, what all support, what all mentorships and all. So you can read this. Okay, it's a live mint article and there is a grant of up to 2.5 crore for a period of 5 years given to this. Okay, now question number 3. Sindhuja I or 1 seen in news relates to. Okay, so this one is relating to what they are asking. Oil spillage control on sea surfaces, torpedo missile launcher, electricity generation from sea waves, nuclear submarines. Okay, so this application of certain defense or space things is a usual question in UPSC. Okay, last few years if the questions have reduced, but defense and space is always a very important topic for you because it comes in the news. Okay, so you have to know. I think 2016 they asked a question like Astra Dharini seen in news is related to what, and that time the answer was torpedo missile launcher. Okay, so like that they can ask anything which DRDO or ISRO is involved, or HAL, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, anybody is involved or they're making something, especially if it's made in India, then they will ask you the purpose of that also. Okay, so here Sindhuja is related to electricity generation from sea waves. Researchers in IIT Madras have developed and deployed a system called Sindhuja that is capable of generating electricity from using energy from sea waves. It is recently deployed some 6 km away from the coast of Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so this is also one of the port of, you should know, there are 12-13 major ports of India. Okay, so you should know where are the locations of the ports. Okay, Tamil Nadu there is 2-3 ports, so it's very, very important. So where the sea depth is around 20 meters, and this is an ocean wave energy converter that currently capable of producing 100 watts of electricity using energy from sea waves. Okay, its capacity to be expected to scale up to 1 megawatt of energy in the next 3 years, and the system has a floating buoy, a spar, electric module. So these are just the structure, how it looks like, what is there and all. It's physically how does it look like. It ensures this that the result in the production of a relative motion between the spar and the buoy. So this technical mechanical thing, okay, which happens usually is not useful for UPSC students. Okay, you have to bother like what is it related to, and that is this electricity generation from sea waves. Okay, and around how much it will do. Okay, like 1 megawatt of energy in the next 3 years. So it's tested in November 2022 when the Indian Meteorological Department issued a red alert for several districts in Tamil Nadu. The testing revealed that the system was capable of withstanding challenging weather conditions. Currently, no device is using power generated by Sindhuja as it is still in its nascent stage, meaning its beginning stage. Okay, it is cheaper to power a city like Chennai or small part of its conventional energy than ocean power. However, the new technology provides an economical solution for the island and offshore locations since the cost of transporting power over the sea is high. Okay, so wherever island related areas, coastal related area and all, there this might be an economical solution. Okay, but in the other cities and all, the usual conventional method is cheaper. Okay, so they're just trying a new method where energy can be used from the sea. Okay, sea waves, because in other foreign countries and all, it is a common thing. Now, question number 4. iGas seen in news related to UK refers to. Okay, UK and iGas was in news. So what is this iGas? It is related to clean energy compounds, astrotourism, bacterial infection, ultra modern defense units. So what is, or in which context did you see iGas in news? Okay, last time UPSC asked like ACE 2. I think in 2022 prelims or 21 prelims they asked ACE 2, which is seen in news, is related to. They just asked, they didn't ask you the full form, they didn't ask you like what it is, they just asked in which context this was in news. Same like that, this iGas also has a full form and all, that you don't have to bother, but you should have seen this news, okay, at least if you read newspaper daily. So here answer is bacterial infection. So invasive group A strep iGas is a group of bacterial infection that cause the most serious gas infections. These infections are caused when the bacteria get into the parts of the body where the bacteria are normally not found, like the lungs and bloodstream. In rare instances, an iGas infection can be deadly. Some of the most deadly and rare forms of iGas infections are these things, whatever is written here. Okay, necrotizing pneumonia and streptococcal, whatever is written, that's all technical terms. But these are the things where iGas infections can result in, and it's deadly. Okay, so this is caused when an individual has sores or open wounds that allows bacteria to enter into the tissue, breach their respiratory tract after a viral infection, or in a person having weak immune system. So while iGas infections are rare, Thus, there is a surge in cases in 2022, especially among children under the age of 10. Okay, so it's affecting children, and there is a high number of cases in 2022. So it is in news. December 5, at least 6 children lost their life in UK because of this thing. Okay, so investigations are going on, and what is all done. And this is again some group A, this bacterium, general definition. Okay, bacterium commonly found in throats and on the skin. Okay, it generally does not cause illness. However, it causes a number of infections that range from mild to fatal. Some of the symptoms of gas infections are sore throat, fever, chills, muscle aches. These infections spread by close contact with infected persons, coughs, sneezes, and from wounds. The bacteria can also spread from asymptomatic patients who have the bacteria in their body but do not feel unwell or show symptoms. So it can be symptomatic also or not also, and this is there in economic times, and because children have died. Okay, so it was in global news. Last question for today. Which of the following are false about Acharya Jagdish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden? Okay, Jagdish Chandra Bose related already 2 times prelims question have come. That is why this also is important. It comes under the control of Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, which again comes under the aegis of Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Then the garden was found in 1900s by Jagdish Chandra Bose. Okay, so it's about a botanic garden which was there in the news. So here 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. So if you know this, it's good, else you have to study from a proper current affairs source like Vysh IAS. And here answer is C, both 1 and 2, and both 1 and 2 is actually false. Okay, they're asking for false. So both the statements are this thing because it's not ICAR. We have this Botanical Survey of India, Botanical Survey of India, which is under the Union Ministry of Environment. Under that only this garden is there. So it was previously known as Indian Botanic Garden and the Calcutta Botanic Garden, situated in West Bengal's Howrah, and a lot of plants and these things are there. Okay, largest man-made plant kingdom. Okay, it is the largest man-made plant kingdom. It was founded in 1787 by some army officer in East India Company and not by Jagdish Chandra Bose and all. And then here there is a great banyan tree, which is one of the, I think, largest tree in the world. Okay, in Bangalore also you have like this, I think the second largest banyan tree. So these are all very like good place for like you to go and visit also. Okay, with your family and all. It will be very interesting to see this. A very like 1 full acre of land is like full of one tree. One single tree is there in that much big land. Okay, so this one is now under threat. This botanical garden is under threat by severe land erosion by river Ganga. That is why it is in news. So inspections are going on, and then they will take care of like what to do. Okay, it comes under the jurisdiction of BSI, Kolkata Port Trust, and they are seeing what can be done to see that this erosion is not affecting the garden. Okay. So these were the 5 questions. Again, if you just see the plums, you will learn a lot of questions. You will see what are the type of questions, but that is not sufficient for you to clear prelims. Okay, this is just samples and daily practice we want you to do, no matter you are giving this year or next year. But as I told, the overall count, you will get only this much if you watch every plums. Instead, if you have got my test series, you will get 10,000 plus MCQs, and you will not get any doubt in any topic. Okay, that much elaborate questions are made. Every single question is made by me only. All subjects I am covering. It's not like I am specialized in one subject. I can teach every subject. Okay, in UPSC. So that is why please see to it that you have this and you are using it. It's a lifetime validity PDF. Whenever you buy, you can use it the next year also in case you couldn't clear the prelims, unfortunately. Okay, so these are the different subjects we have: history, current affair, polity, everything. This combined together, if you buy, that is the best I will advise. But again, if you want to like specialized in particular thing, or if you feel you are weak in particular thing, you can buy that alone. Okay, here current affair packs and science packs I have mentioned. This is the science pack and this is the current affair packs of different months. So I recommend the serious aspirants to take this and read. You will feel very happy that you have enrolled to Vysh IAS. Okay, that's my guarantee. That much content is covered in that. So try to study well, and these are the videos as I told for 23 application and test series, and I'll come up with the next episode, or maybe tomorrow is Saturday, so ma'am will come with CSAT episode. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.